My name is Charles Tran with the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice.
Second floor framing starts now. In part 1, I'm breaking down how I saved thousands, what tools and materials used, and how I made sure everything lined up right with smart planning and precise measuring. Before we dive in, don't forget, the full 4-part first floor framing series is already up. Hit the link in the description or check it out on the Novice Builder channel. Section 1. Why I chose my contractor team. Now let me take it back to why I didn't go with a general contractor or tough shed. A local builder quoted me $28,000. Tough shed? Even higher at $32,000. But I found a contractor team through a friend who agreed to partner with me for $17,000 total, labor and framing. What made it work is they didn't just build the house for me, they built it with me. I provided the tools and materials, they gave me a huge discount, and they taught me along the way. I got hands-on experience and real-time mentoring. Section 2. Cost breakdown and savings. Here's how that translated financially. The total cost for labor and materials across the entire project was $17,717.28. Compared to a local builder's estimate of $28,000, that's a savings of $10,282.72. Compared to prefab options, the savings increased to $14,282.72. That's up to 47% savings, all while staying involved and in control. Just for the second floor framing phase, we spent $5,800 on framing labor, $2,284.93 on plywood, Tyvek wrap, and Hardie Plank siding. Even this one phase saved us $4,436.77 compared to typical contractor pricing. Section 3. Tools and materials used. Here's what we used for second floor framing. Now let's break down the actual tools and materials used to build it the right way on site. Tape measure, chalk line, framing square, speed square, laser level or spirit level, plumb bob, circular saw, hammer and framing nailer. Materials. Let's start with the structural wood. Section 1. Framing lumber. First we have 2x6 pre-cut stud, 104 5/8 inches long, kiln dried and precision trimmed. These are the standard wall studs for 9-foot ceilings. 2x6 southern pine, 16 feet long, number 2 grade. This is used for joists, rafters, and blocking throughout the framing. 2x6 pressure-treated lumber, also 16 feet long and rated for ground contact. This is ideal for sill plates or anywhere the wood touches concrete. I also use 2x12 southern pine, 16 and 10 feet long. These large dimension boards are great for floor joists, stair stringers, or deep headers. A standard 2x4 stud, pre-cut to 116 5/8 inches, is used for framing 10-foot walls. Then there's the 2x4 southern pine, 16 feet long, a go-to for plates, bracing, and layout studs. For framing tighter spans or blocking, we have 2x6 and 2x8 southern pine, in shorter lengths like 10 and 18 feet. Section 2. Sheathing. For wall and roof sheathing, we use 15 32 inch 3-ply CDX plywood, often referred to as half-inch rated sheathing. Subfloors and structural decking are built using 23 32 inch CDX plywood, also known as 3/4 inch tongue and groove sheathing. Section 3. Adhesive and fasteners. To bond and strengthen connections, we apply 28-ounce construction adhesive, like liquid nails or PL Premium, between framing and subfloor layers. Before starting, safety first. Wear your protective gear, check your tools, and clear the workspace. I sourced most of the materials myself, which gave me control over budget and quality. And the tools? Already had most from the first floor build. Section 4. Planning and measuring based on site plan. Here's a breakdown of the second floor plan that guided the framing process before any material was cut. The second floor measures 24 feet wide and 24 feet deep. It's organized into several functional areas. On the left side, there are 2 identical rooms, each measuring 8 feet deep, likely intended for storage or compact office use. A hallway leads through the center, connecting to the stairwell and providing access to the remaining sections. A small bathroom is also included on this floor, positioned at the back of the house. This efficient layout allows for a balance of enclosed and open areas, optimizing both privacy and accessibility on the second floor. For framing, the contractor team used a combination of 2x4 and 2x6 lumber, with 2x6 used primarily for exterior walls to support structural loads and improve insulation, and 2x4s for interior partition walls. The floor system was laid out and supported using joist hangers, construction adhesive, screws, and nails, ensuring a secure and level framing base above the first floor. Once wall framing was complete, plywood sheathing was added to tie the walls together and provide lateral strength. Special attention was given to the staircase opening on the right side of the layout. This required precise measurements and careful placement of supporting joists and headers to maintain proper load distribution. The second floor features 5 windows and 3 doors, all of which required accurate rough openings with properly sized headers and framing reinforcement. After sheathing, the crew applied Tyvek house wrap to protect the structure from moisture and drafts, followed by the installation of Hardie Plank siding for a durable, weather-resistant exterior. All measurements were based directly on the architectural site plan. These dimensions ensured accurate placement of walls, doors, and windows, reducing errors and avoiding material waste. That's it for part 1 of the second floor framing. You've seen how I kept the budget in check, picked the right tools and materials, and made sure every measurement lined up. Next up in part 2, second floor framing, subfloor, staircase, wall layout, and full framing with openings. We'll start building the structure, from laying the subfloor to framing out the walls, doors, and windows. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to watch my complete framing playlist or subscribe to my channel, The Novice Builder. It really helps me keep creating more helpful and engaging videos for you. And don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your tips, questions, or suggestions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.